Get your first title loan in less than an hour. Are you considering getting your first title loan? Well, you're in luck. We are here to make the process fast and easy, allowing you to get your first title loan in less than an hour. Quick and easy application process. Getting your first title loan doesn't require much time or effort. Our streamlined application process is designed to ensure that you receive a swift response, so you can quickly find out if you qualify for the money you need. If you're concerned about your credit, don't worry. We welcome all types of credit. Tips for first-timers. Here are 4 helpful tips to reduce the time it takes to secure your title loan with us. 1. The sooner you start, the better. The first tip is to get the ball rolling as soon as possible. Title loans are quick and easy to apply for, but you won't know what you qualify for until you take that first step. Fill out and submit the online application form, and sit back as a representative contacts you to proceed with your application. The sooner you start, the quicker you'll learn if you can get the financial relief you need. 2. Talk to your title loan representative. Your loan representative is your ally in this process. Don't hesitate to reach out, ask questions, and clarify any uncertainties. We're here to assist you both over the phone and online with any inquiries or concerns you may have. 3. Be punctual for your meeting. When it comes to your in-person meeting, punctuality is key. The meeting can take as little as 30 minutes, and sometimes less time is required for our instant approval title loan process. Arrive on time with your car and all required documents. The sooner your meeting starts, the quicker you can complete your application. 4. Prepare your car for inspection. Preparing your car for inspection is crucial. While the title loan only requires a few documents to qualify, your application can't be finalized without a physical inspection of your vehicle. This inspection helps us determine its condition and value for your loan. What you need to qualify for car title loans. Understanding what is required to qualify for a car title loan will also help you prepare. You must provide valid ID, showing that you are at least 18 years old to qualify for a title loan with us. You need a lien-free vehicle title in your name. Your vehicle needs to be in adequate condition. Ready to get started? Visit our website to apply online.